Ever wondered how smart people manage their time and tasks so efficiently? Welcome to HouseLux Estate, where curiosity meets creativity. Today we're peeling back the curtain on the tools that make everyday life not just manageable, but exceptional. Our focus? 10 groundbreaking tools that boost productivity and streamline daily tasks. From cutting-edge technology to simple gadgets that make a big difference, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we dive into the first smart tool that is a game-changer for many. First up, the smart thermostat, saving energy while keeping comfort. This ingenious device is more than just a gadget. It's your home's climate curator. By learning your schedule and preferences, it adjusts your home's temperature automatically, ensuring you're always comfortable without wasting energy. Experts agree that a smart thermostat is key in managing home temperatures efficiently. It uses algorithms to understand when to heat or cool your home based on your habits, the weather, and even the number of people present. Energy efficiency is another significant perk. By optimizing heating and cooling schedules, smart thermostats can slash your electricity bills dramatically. Some users report savings of up to 20% annually on their energy bills. Moreover, these devices often come with companion apps, allowing you to control your home's climate from anywhere in the world. Imagine coming home to the perfect temperature every day without lifting a finger. That's smart living. Next, let's talk about the brains of the house advanced smart assistants. In the ever-evolving world of home technology, devices like Google Home and Amazon Echo have become central figures. These assistants are more than just gadgets. They're the nerve centers of the modern smart home. With a simple voice command, they allow you to control virtually every aspect of your home environment. Imagine adjusting the thermostat, dimming the lights, or even starting the coffee machine, all without lifting a finger. The convenience doesn't stop there. These smart assistants can also integrate seamlessly with other smart devices, creating a synchronized system that enhances your home's efficiency and security. Furthermore, their ability to learn and adapt to your preferences and routines means they offer a personalized experience that continually improves over time. Whether it's setting reminders, playing music, or providing real-time weather updates, these assistants handle it all effortlessly. Just by using your voice, you control your home. It doesn't get much smarter than that. Keeping safe is smart. Let's explore smart security cameras. In the bustling world of today, maintaining safety and security at home isn't just a priority. It's a necessity. This is where smart security cameras come into play, offering not just eyes on your property, but also a sophisticated brain to interpret what they see. These devices provide homeowners with the capability to monitor their homes remotely. Whether at work, on vacation, or simply out for a jog, you can view live feeds directly on your smartphone. The real magic lies in the real-time alerts. Smart security cameras can detect unusual activity and instantly send notifications to your phone. This means you're always in the loop, no matter where you are, ensuring quick responses to potential threats. Integration with other smart home devices enhances their utility. Imagine your lights turning on automatically when suspicious activity is detected, or receiving video clips when someone rings your doorbell. With smart security cameras, peace of mind is just a tap away. Now let's brighten things up with intelligent lighting systems. Imagine walking into a room that adjusts its lighting based on the time of day or your current mood. That's the brilliance of intelligent lighting systems. These innovative systems offer the ability to control lights remotely, whether you're cozy in bed or halfway around the world. With just a few taps on a smartphone or a simple voice command, lighting preferences are set instantly. What's more, these systems aren't just about convenience. They're smart enough to save energy too. By using sensors and data analysis, intelligent lighting systems can detect when a room is unoccupied, adjusting brightness or turning off lights completely to reduce power consumption. This not only helps lower electricity bills, but also extends the life of your lighting fixtures. And for those who love setting the perfect scene, mood-based scenarios are a game changer. Whether it's a soft glow for a quiet evening or vibrant colors for a party, these systems adjust to create the desired ambiance with zero hassle. Set the perfect ambiance for every moment, effortlessly. Clean smarter, not harder with automated robotic vacuums. Imagine a world where the chore of vacuuming doesn't disrupt your day. That's the reality automated robotic vacuums bring to your doorstep. These clever devices take the tedium out of keeping your floors immaculate. With advanced sensors, they navigate around furniture and obstacles with ease, ensuring no spot is missed. One of the standout features of these vacuums is their mapping technology. They don't just wander aimlessly. These robots map your home, learning the layout to optimize their cleaning paths. This means more efficient cleaning and no repetitive tracks. And what about running low on battery? Fear not, these vacuums are self-sufficient champions. When their charge starts to dwindle, they smartly return to their docking stations to recharge, and once recharged, they resume cleaning right where they left off. Your living space remains pristine, and you haven't even lifted a finger. Green thumb or not, smart gardening tools make everyone a garden guru. Imagine the sheer pleasure of watching your garden flourish while exerting minimal effort. This is no longer a dream, thanks to the innovative world of smart gardening tools. These ingenious devices can monitor the health of your plants by assessing soil moisture, sunlight exposure, and nutrient levels. They send real-time updates directly to your smartphone, ensuring you know exactly what your garden needs and when. But it doesn't stop there. Smart gardening systems can also schedule watering automatically based on the specific needs of each plant. This not only saves water but guarantees your green friends are hydrated just right, even when you're away. Moreover, some smart gardening tools come equipped with expert advice built into their apps. They provide tailored guidance on plant care, from pruning schedules to optimal planting conditions, turning even the novice gardener into a seasoned pro. Gardening made easy, and smart watch your garden thrive with little effort. Precision is key in any project. Meet the digital measuring tools. In the world of do-it-yourself projects and home renovations, accuracy can make or break your end result. Digital measuring tools have revolutionized how measurements are taken and utilized, ensuring precision down to the smallest unit. These savvy devices not only provide spot-on measurements, but also flaunt the ability to send this data directly to your smartphone. Imagine measuring for a new cabinet or cutting bespoke shelving. With these tools, the exact dimensions can be in your phone's notepad in seconds. But it's not just about convenience. These tools come equipped with features like laser technology, which allows for long-distance measurements with the press of a button. They are indispensable for everything from hanging artwork at just the right height to ensuring that tiles are perfectly aligned. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a weekend warrior, these digital marvels are a must-have in your toolkit. Measure twice, cut once, and always be accurate with digital tools. Enhance your cooking experience with smart kitchen gadgets. Imagine a kitchen where your oven alerts you the moment your roast reaches the perfect internal temperature. Welcome to the world of intelligent ovens. These culinary maestros adjust temperature and cooking time automatically, ensuring every dish is cooked to its highest potential. Next, let's talk about precision with smart scales. Gone are the days of guesswork in recipes. Smart scales provide exact measurements and can even suggest adjustments based on ingredient substitutions, making them indispensable for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. And for coffee enthusiasts, Bluetooth-enabled coffee makers are revolutionizing morning routines. These devices allow you to control brewing options from your smartphone, ensuring your coffee is ready exactly when you need it, how you like it. Whether it's adjusting the grind size or setting the brewing temperature, these coffee makers bring barista-level control to your fingertips. Master the art of cooking with gadgets that ensure perfection every time. Stay healthy, stay smart. Let's look at fitness trackers. Imagine having a personal coach on your wrist, constantly guiding you, motivating you, and keeping tabs on your health. That's essentially what a fitness tracker does. By monitoring vital health metrics such as heart rate, sleep patterns, and daily step count, these nifty devices offer a clear window into your physical well-being. But they're more than just passive observers. Fitness trackers actively help you set and achieve fitness goals. Whether it's running a faster mile, swimming more laps, or simply moving more throughout the day, these gadgets provide the feedback and encouragement needed to push your limits. Moreover, tracking progress over time is seamless with these devices. They help you see how far you've come, making it easier to stick to a healthy lifestyle. With features like calorie tracking and workout summaries, they provide a comprehensive overview of your daily activities and health. Keep your health on track effortlessly. We've just explored 10 smart tools that can dramatically improve your daily life. From revolutionizing your home's efficiency with a smart thermostat to simplifying chores with automated robotic vacuums, each tool offers a unique way to enhance your lifestyle. Think about which of these innovations could best serve your needs. Whether it's ensuring security through smart cameras or optimizing your health with fitness trackers, there's a smart solution for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insights on smart tools and innovations. Embrace smart living and thank you for watching.